To pay off your Charles Schwab 401k loan, start by reviewing your loan agreement. This document will provide details about the remaining balance, interest rates, and any repayment terms. Understanding these details is essential for planning your payoff strategy. Next, consider your current financial situation. Determine how much you can allocate toward paying off the loan each month without straining your budget. Establish a repayment plan by calculating how long it will take to pay off the loan based on your contribution. If you can make larger payments, you may save on interest costs over time. You can make additional payments through your payroll deductions or by submitting a payment directly to Schwab. Ensure to check if any fees apply for early repayment. You may want to contact Schwab's customer service for any clarification or assistance in the repayment process. Finally, once the loan is fully repaid, confirm that your account has been updated and that any corresponding paperwork is complete. This step will help you keep track of your 401k balance and ensure that there are no lingering issues related to the loan. Taking these actions will help you manage your retirement savings effectively while fulfilling your loan obligations.